Would you like to make an easy green juice with a vegetable and two fruits? Well, let's do it. The ingredients are a cucumber, pear, an apple, peppermint leaves, and a date.
Place the chopped cucumber in the blender. Place the chopped pear in the blender. Place the chopped apple in the blender. Place the date in the blender. Place the peppermint leaves in the blender.
Finally, I add 2 cups of water.
And ready! We have a delicious juice made with 2 fruits and 1 vegetable, and the children will love it.
Remember that the cucumber is multivitamin, diuretic, and hydrates the skin. Pear is an antioxidant, multivitamin, has lutein that helps prevent blindness. The apple has minerals, vitamins, is an antioxidant, and has a low glycemic index. Dates provide vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, sugars, and fibers. They give a lot of energy. They are not recommended for diabetics. Finally, peppermint is a delicious multivitamin that contains apigenin. In other words, it's an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory.